Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn step by step on how to create ad videos for YouTube ads and TikTok ads campaign using Steve AI. So I want you to click on tool number 9, click on this link, alright, and then it will take you to this page. And as you guys can create powerful video ads like a pro with Steve AI. So if you click on the use cases, there are many use cases available, but we're going to be focusing on video ad maker, right? Because we want to create ad videos. So just click on make a video ad now, right? So as you guys can see, we have 3 different options to sign up. So the first one is to sign up using your Gmail account. The second one is to sign up using your Facebook account. And the third one is to sign up manually by entering your username, your email address, and your password manually. So I'm going to go with the first options, all right? So I'm going to click on Google, and I'm going to pick the email that I want to be registered on this platform. Okay, so as you guys can see, right now we are being redirected to the dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like. So on the left side, you have dashboard, you have my videos. If you click on my videos, all right, just click on it. There's nothing here because this is a brand new account, so we haven't created any project yet. That's the reason why there is nothing here. So let's go back to my dashboard, right? So as you guys can see, there are several different features. For example, like text to video, text to animations, blog to video, blog to animations. So it's very cool, right? You can convert your blog by simply just entering the URL to your blog, and then AI is going to be able to automatically convert that into a video or convert that into animations. Sounds very exciting, right? And also voice to video. You can also convert a tweet to video, but unfortunately it is still coming soon, so it means that this feature is not ready yet. There is another feature called PowerPoint to video, so you can convert your PowerPoint slides to video. What else? Page URL to video. So yeah, you can also convert your websites to video and convert your websites to an animations, which is very cool. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on text to video and text to animations. So I'm going to click on start, because the objective is to create the ad video for this product, right? So as you guys can see, we are being redirected to the editing page. So for the type of video, you have 2 options, either live video or animation video. It's totally up to you which video that you want to choose. I'm gonna go with animation video, right? Or maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna go with the live video. And for the video ratio, you have 3 options, 16:9. If you want to display your ads on YouTube, then go with the first options. If you want to display your ads on TikTok, then go with the second options, 9:16. And you also have like 1:1. So I'm gonna go with the first options. And for the category, since we're going to create ad videos, so I'm going to click on advertisements, right? So that's the objective. And for the title, pick the one that is most relevant with your product, guys. So I'm going to click on, okay, so I'm going to explore all these options. Work management tool, thank you for shopping, real estate, life insurance, hospitality, promo, did you know, child daycare, book trailer. Okay, so I'm going to change this into animations video and then see if there are other options. Okay, so I think I'm going to click on new product announcements, right? So I'm going to click on create sample script. Okay, so as you guys can see, the video is going to be consisted of 9 scenes, right? So what I want you to do is to go back to chatgpt, and we're going to utilize chatgpt to generate us the content script, or actually not the content script, it's going to be like ad copy, right? Ad copy for this animations video, guys. So if you just type in, all right, I'm going to click on new chat and I'm going to type in something like this: generate me well, I'm going to count like how many scenes, like, okay, so 9 scenes in total, so generate me 9 sentences or 9 sentences. Generate me 9 sentences for wireless head messenger ad copy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to copy and paste each one of these. Alright, so I'm going to copy and paste that here. Also the same thing with the second sentence. Also the same thing with the third sentence here. Also the same thing with the fourth sentence. Also the same thing for the fifth sentence, right? Also the same thing for sixth sentence. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest. And finally, the last one here, which is sentence number 9. Okay, very cool. So now, just check this, make sure these informations are correct. So, what is your video about? Product announcements, type of video, animations, videos, sources, all. Okay, so I'm going to click next, right? So I want you to click next, and we are going to pick the template. Okay, so feel free to pick any template that you want. Make sure that you pick the one that is most relevant with the product that you are selling. But since in this example we're going to be selling this product, but unfortunately all of these templates are not relevant with the product that we're selling, so I'm just going to pick like a random one, right? So I'm going to pick maybe this one, even though it's actually not that relevant. So yeah, now it is generating the video. It might take you like a couple seconds or maybe minutes, so just wait guys, please be patient. So now it is processing the video. Okay, as you guys can see, now the video has been generated. Look at this. I'm going to play the video. I'm going to click on this play button. Look at this, very cool, right? Experience the ultimate relaxation with our cutting edge. Say goodbye to stress and tensions as your innovative wireless head messenger takes you on a journey. Okay, very cool. I think I really like the video. If you are satisfied with the quality of this video and then you want to download it, you can click download, right? Just click download. And as you guys can see, we can download this as HD video 720p. Unfortunately, if you want to download this as full HD, you need to upgrade your account to the premium plan. The type of the video is obviously MP4. And if you want to download it, just click download. That's it. Just click download, right? So I'm going to click download, and that's it. So now I'm downloading this video, guys. I'm also going to upload this on Udemy resource folder so you guys can see it. You guys can download this from Udemy resource folder as well. Okay, so now it is processing. I guess the process might take a couple minutes, so I'm just going to skip that part. Anyway guys, that's how you utilize Steve AI to create ad videos. Very easy and straightforward process, right? It only took us a couple minutes, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.